I wanted to share these beautiful flowers at the beginning of the video. My husband, he planted them along the verges, and I just think they're absolutely stunning. In fact, there's so much beauty all around us. On every drive that I've been recently in the countryside, it's just everything is just bursting forth and blooming. It's just wonderful to see. Summer has been a bit of a mixed bag with regards to the weather. You know how much us Brits like to talk about that particular subject. There have been some lovely days, but also those that require a sweater, believe it or not. However, there is no shortage of beauty around when you look for it. I used to live in a city centre, but more and more I'm turning into a country pumpkin. I love the scenery, the flowers, I love being at the coast, and also the slower pace of life. I've also been to East Sussex on a course. It's really interesting to be on the other side of the fence, so to speak, and become the participant. I decided to do expressive oil painting, and although I have done oil paintings, I've always found that they're slightly tighter, in a slightly tighter style than my acrylic paintings. So I wanted to go on this expressive oil painting workshop and see how I got on. It was for 2 days. I thoroughly enjoyed my time there. It was so nice to have a change of scenery and to meet new people. Louise was a great teacher. She's part of the New School of Art and holds workshops at Emerson College in East Sussex. I definitely felt less daunted about loosening up my painting with oils. And I do believe it's really important to keep pushing yourself forward as an artist or in other spheres of life, and not just to get stuck in a rut. But if you practice and practice and practice, you will definitely see progress. And when I look back at my work from years ago, I see how I've evolved as an artist, and I'm sure that would be the same for anybody who puts the time in. So don't give up if that's what you want to do. Here I'm setting up my studio ready to run my own workshops. Now, I used to hire a church hall in Durham where I used to live, but now I do it in my own studio, which obviously keeps the costs down, but you can't have as many participants. So it has pros and cons. Having it in your own studio is it's obviously quite disruptive if you've got things laid out and you want to get straight into painting when you get in the studio. It does take a lot of organising and cleaning, so it's nice for the people that are coming along. But I do enjoy meeting all the new people and just seeing how pleased they are with what they come out with at the end of it. Some of them have never painted before, and within a few hours, they're becoming more and more confident in how to start out in a painting. So that's great to see. Here I'm working on a commission that I actually received during the Chichester Open Studios. I have this one to do and also probably one in the pipeline. It's a wave commission which I absolutely love doing. So I'm just going to show you a bit of the process and the completed painting. Well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing the beautiful English countryside again. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe or leave a comment. I really appreciate it. And you can also press the little bell notification if you don't want to miss any of the videos. And at the end, I've just put up different slides of my work, so it'll give you an opportunity to see all the different paintings that I do. This is just a small selection actually. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time.